Hi, Lolo Pepe. Happy 80th birthday. We miss you so much. Lolo Pepe, we hope you're having an amazing birthday. We know how much you love farming, and we wish we could be there in Pangasinan to see everything you take care of. We can't wait to visit you soon.
Even though we're far away, we always think about you. We miss your hugs and stories, and we hope we can celebrate with you in person one day soon.
We love you, Lolo Pepe. Have a fantastic birthday. See you soon.
Mabuhay, Tatay Pepe! Happy 80th birthday! Tay, ikaw na yata yung pinakamasipag na tao na kilala namin. Palagi ka na lang nagtatrabaho sa bukid. Sana ngayong araw na to, magpahinga ka naman at mag-enjoy sa espesyal mong araw. Miss na miss ka na namin, Tay.
Tay, saludo kami sa sipag at tiyaga mo. Alam mo yan. Sana ngayong birthday mo, mag-enjoy ka. At the same time, medyo bawas-bawasan yung pagiging malabir. Miss ka na namin and we wish to see you soon at makauwi kami at makapasyal tayo ulit.
Mahal ka namin, Tay. Stay strong, stay happy, at magkikita tayo ulit soon. Magayagan in Kiana.